Now that we've gone over the roles and responsibilities of the Data Subject Access Request procedure, let's take a look at the procedure on high level to ensure that all steps are taken correctly. When someone sends us a Data Subject Access Request, DSAR, our first step is to make sure it's in writing and that we have any necessary proof of payment. Next, we need to confirm that the person making the request is who they say they are and that they're authorized to make this request. We keep track of all the details in a Data Subject Access log, and we let the person know that we've received their request within 3 working days. If we need any more information to fulfill the request, we'll use the DSAR form to ask for it. Then we'll assign the request to one of our privacy champions and give them specific instructions on how to create a DSAR report. Within 5 working days, the privacy champion will conduct a search for the requested information and go through any files they find. They'll categorize the data and remove any exemptions, or seek consent from any third parties that may be involved. We always offer support to any vulnerable applicants and make copies of the data if necessary. Before sending the final response to the applicant, we double-check to make sure that all exemptions have been removed and that there is no third-party data included. We'll send a letter to the person to let them know that their request has been fulfilled, and we'll keep a copy of the receipt. Finally, we'll record the completion of the DSAR in the log. By following this process, we're making sure that we're respecting our customers' rights and providing an efficient response to their data subject access requests.